Hello everyone, welcome back to Litty and Sushi. Hi, only I am here. Kanu is not here, I hope.
Hi.
Okay, so we are back with another reaction video.
Yes, sir.
And this time again, it's K-pop. And
Drum roll. GOT7.
It's GOT7. I don't know who they are. I've heard a lot about them. I've read about them, but I don't know. Apparently, Kanu is a very big fan of one of their members, so we'll talk about it later, who he is and what. So this video is actually a continuation for the video of the particular band member, which Kanu wanted me to see. So
My bias.
Let's get started without any further conversations.
Yes, we should.
Okay, let's get into the video. Interesting.
It is.
Okay, now what I think is, firstly, the picturization, as I said, it's very impactful. They're like, you can, even if I don't know the language, I was just going through the lyrics, but still I can get the feel of the song and I can actually, go by the vibe. So that is something I really like in K-pop, and I think this is one of the things that they are so popular because it's very easy to connect with them.
Exactly.
Secondly,
K-pop?
I love their clothes.
Oh my god, wow.
I just thought that maybe
They're lovely,
that
they're lovely.
Blackpink is a girls' band, so they are dressed up and all decked up, and maybe I've never seen a like a male band, like all boys band with such nice clothing. Like it's not regular
I
designer
get it, I
clothes.
get
There,
it.
it's designer obviously, but it's out of their. It's something out of the box. All of them. It's not like they all. Even if they were in same color coordination, it's theme based. So it's
Exactly.
actually it's bang on. I mean, I
It's
love
not
it.
just God's Side, all the other K-pop bands.
And it's not something very jazzy or very shimmery or something.
on the face, like really subtle. It's really subtle.
Yeah,
But
it's
it's eye grasping. It's eye grasping.
it's eye grasping. That's one of the things, but it's not like that. Some of the clothes, it was not like you can only wear it for the camera. You can actually like people can actually wear them for like,
Actually,
Yeah.
exactly. You need to have that sense and wear it whatever you want, however you want.
some of the clothes. Okay, they were for stage purpose only, but some like this I have noticed in Blackpink's video also. So I like this thing. Yeah, if you get a sense of fashion, you get a sense of music, you get a sense of their art, their conceptualization, their culture. Yeah, culture. It's
See, this
amazing.
is the most important thing. To know a language, you need to get inside the culture. You need to know the culture. And
This is really interesting. This makes like all these videos, their video songs or the K-pop, the entire thing makes you want like it will attract you towards them, and it wants like now I want to actually learn more about the Korean culture, not only the music and art thing. In general.
fandom.
Okay, I would not say that I'm into the fandom. Now talking about the most precious of News, Jackson. Okay, he is handsome, he's hot, no doubt. But I think all of them are equally hot. and
Yeah,
handsome.
of course. I never compared or undermined any one
But
of them.
when you talk about Jackson, I just thought he's the only one in the band. I
No.
actually had this vibe from before watching them, that it's only Jackson, and Jackson is the only one who's in the band or who's doing a great job in the band. But let me tell you, when I saw this video, it's nobody is less than somebody. All of them are equally on point.
Exactly.
It's excellent. Sometimes what has happened, like I have seen many music videos, not Korean but other like Bollywood or any other English for that matter. What happens is what I have felt is the main vocalist or maybe the main
Is highlighted
person
a
who's
lot.
they are obviously highlighted, and the other, even if it's a band video, the only one person is being highlighted, and it's very easy to pick up. Okay, he is the leader or he or she is the main vocalist.
This
So,
is the thing
so
in
that is
K-pop.
why I asked you in the beginning that because I saw only one face being zoomed up on the screen when the video started. So I thought maybe he is the main vocalist or he's the leader, as you say. So
This
that was
is the
something.
thing in K-pop, in all the videos of any band. Whoever sings that particular line or that particular paragraph,
Yeah, their
it's-
face comes up.
exactly.
Yeah, that's really.
And also, I would really like to highlight JB's part, the leader of GOT7. He has done an incredible job. I mean, the band hasn't disbanded, but the contract has ended in January. But even after that, they released a song together. And JB has done an incredible job all these 7 years. Even now, he's the best leader a group can ask for. Jackson's the only one. No, I never
No,
said that.
you
See,
gave me a vibe. Didi Jackson, Didi Jackson,
see,
Didi Jackson.
Every person who's in the fandom has a particular bias in that group. Okay,
Okay, now I get you,
Yes.
obviously,
but all the 7 of them are equivalently talented and incredible at whatever they're doing, and they've done till now. And I'm so proud that I follow them. It's literally an honor that I know them.
okay, too much of your fandom speech.
No, really. I actually regret not knowing about them earlier. I wish I knew them that like a lot.
But now you know them, so it's okay.
But the
works.
contract is over, so they won't work
But
too
they're
much.
still working together, right?
No, now
Like they released a song.
that one song.
So they
yeah.
will.
But
I mean, they will figure out something or the other. But
of course they are.
If they've worked for 7 years and they're so successful, they're so popular, I mean, they'll do
They'll
something or the
really-
other and figure things out. So yeah, but I definitely like it, and like I said for the Blackpink, the same thing. Now, one thing I like about this Korean culture, which I feel I'm not sure that whether it is there or not. You know, in Bollywood, I've mostly seen that most videos they have a male and a female lead, like it's a couple thing. Especially in Bollywood, I've seen this.
Music
But-
videos.
yeah,
which-
music videos,
Yeah,
yeah.
of course.
But
It's
for
the same
K-pop-
storyline for everyone.
Yeah.
Basic.
But for K-pop, like it's a whole girls band, then there's a whole boys band, and they are equally popular, they're equally talented, and people are equally loving them. I mean, that's something very good. I mean, I really find it very overwhelming when I see this. I think it's maybe a cultural thing, and I don't know if I'm wrong, but this is something I observe.
Because you know, one thing is for sure that they've all worked very hard.
See, I'm not
To
saying that the
get
Bollywood
what
actors
they
don't
are.
work hard, or
No,
no,
no, no.
that is something wrong to say. Every person,
I
be it-
never said that. See, Bollywood actors, or for not only Bollywood, even in Hollywood, you
yeah,
don't have
everyone
to
is
go
working very
through
hard. Yeah.
a period of a training period. You don't have to go through that. None of the actors or
Are you
singers,
crazy?
they don't go through a training period.
It's training, Kanu. Whether it's struggling through or whether learning. Suppose if it's a singer, suppose any Bollywood singer you may say who launches a music video. How do you think they've come to singing? I can also sing songs,
See,
but I
they-
cannot sing on like I cannot. My voice is not so good, no, that I can record a song and launch it.
I get it.
So
But-
everybody trains themselves. Maybe yeah, the intensity of Korean training when they
Is
sign a
much.
contract. So talking about their struggle, I think all the artists, be it anyone, either in the industry or if they are working, if they're not even working in the industry, everybody goes through a training period. So I feel yeah, maybe you're talking because you know the Korean K-pop artists, their training period is too intensified, and you know they have to
It could,
be very focused and stuff, and the things you were telling me that they cannot date and things like that, yeah, it is too much. I understand that, yeah, from
But-
that point of view you're correct, but I think everyone there has their own hardships and training and
See.
struggles, so
See,
I feel
not,
all of them are equally talented and they've worked very hard. Anyone it is, but
I'm not denying the fact that Bollywood artists don't work
it's not
hard.
only about Bollywood,
or for that matter, any
artists,
anywhere.
all artists are amazing.
What I'm trying to say that you don't have. It's not necessary for them to know how to dance. I don't think that it's necessary for artists.
See, no, I deny here. Earlier, this was a thing. Like prior, our parents' generation. If you see in Bollywood particularly, it was not necessary. Even if they couldn't dance, they would do some simple steps. Like Sunny Deol, he can't dance, right? In comparison to,
But
let's
that
say,
doesn't mean it's
any of the
necessary for
Khans.
them to learn how to dance.
But now, if you see this generation, Varun Dhawan, Ranveer Singh, this
They-
Shahid
they're
Kapoor's
not-
brother, Ishan Khattar, just see all of them. It's not necessary for them also to learn to dance, or be it any of the models who are there in the music videos, Bollywood music videos, they all dance. So I think times are changing and people are putting in lot of effort. You know, earlier it was not necessary for the heroes to have a good or the heroines to be very good physically, like to have a shape and all that. But now if you see, so anyways, please tell us how you like this video and whether you're liking the K-pop series. And if you like the K-pop series and you want us to review more K-pop, please tell us in the comment box.
Comment box.
What am I saying? Oh my god. Comment box, and please hit like, share and subscribe because Litty Sushi actually needs it right now. We are really sorry that we have not been posting too many videos because there were some personal issues going on, and now that we have come to a base of settlement, let's hope that this time I can be regular with the videos, but let's see, because now Raini is also grown up, so I guess
Less time.
approximately no time, but it's okay, let's see. So thank you so much for all your love till now, and please shower upon us more love and support. We need you guys, please, and
keep watching.